Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2010 Mazda 3, stock number 6969. This ran from the 2006 to the 10th 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door 3 dents. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. NAAC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. The front sun visor, right sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.